Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making jackfruit spring rolls. So for the spring rolls we have 30 grams of jackfruit, 15 grams of bamboo shoots, some spring roll wrappers, spring onions 10 grams, 30 grams of oyster mushrooms, 10 grams of orange pepper, a lime, some Siracha Chilli, coconut oil for cooking, and we've also got some Chinese 5-spice and some garlic powder. So the coconut oil is melted and it's nice and hot, and then add the spring onions and the orange peppers. Then we'll also put in the oyster mushrooms, we'll add the bamboo shoots, and then finally the jackfruit, and we'll give it all a stir. We need to just heat this through so it's soft. After a couple of minutes of cooking, we're going to add the juice of a whole lime. This will give the flavour a big boost. I've added a teaspoon of the Chinese 5-spice and I'm just adding some garlic powder. This goes really well with the flavours. We've now got lime, garlic, 5-spice and the jackfruit. All very strong flavours and it will make it taste amazing. After another couple of minutes I'm going to add some sriracha. You can have as much of this as you like. This one is particularly garlicky and quite spicy. It gives it a really good kick. I've soaked the rice sheet in some warm water and put on a damp towel, and then I'm just adding the filling to the centre. You don't want to overfill it, you just want enough so that when you roll it, it's a nice bite size and you can roll it easily. I've now finished filling and rolling the spring rolls, and I've put on a frying pan with coconut oil, and I'm just going to fry the spring rolls, turning them to make sure they're cooked on all sides. So now they're finished cooking, I'm going to take them off the heat, let them cool down for a few minutes and then serve. The flavours in these spring rolls are incredible. They are sweet and sour, they're hot and spicy, they're just amazing. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below. And stay safe out there.